To begin a patient, select the patient icon in the top left-hand side of the touchscreen. If a patient ID is not available, tap Auto ID to place a time-date stamp on the exam. To enter patient demographics, tap on Patient ID. In this case, I will input 444. To go to the next information field, press Tab or tap the desired field. To enter more information, tap on Extended Patient Data and input the information. To select a probe, choose the transducer from the top right-hand side of the screen, then select your preset, which is listed below. In this case, I will select the C1 to 5 probe in abdomen. You may now begin your exam. To acquire a single image, scan, press the freeze button, then tap Store. To acquire a short video, scan, then simply tap Store without pressing the freeze key. This will record several seconds. The time of the video is configurable. Print will send images directly to a thermal printer if it is purchased and installed. To view the images taken, tap Clipboard. The images and videos are displayed. The videos will have a play icon in the bottom left-hand side of the image. Tap the image or video to recall it. To end the exam, tap End Exam located in the lower left-hand side of the touchscreen. Press Yes if you wish to end the exam. The exam is now ended.